How to create digital business card in Canva. Here is a concise guide on how to create a digital business card using a popular tool Canva in just a few minutes. Creating a digital business card can be a great way to share your content information easily and efficiently. So all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the home page. As you can see here we have other options like design spotlight, businesses, education, and also others. For design to spotlight, we have visual documents, visual site, tags, presentations, whiteboards, PDF editor, graphs and charts, both photos and videos. We have video editor, video editor, photo collages, background remover. Then we have business cards, invitation, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars, labels, and we have also marketing, logos, posters, flyers, brochures, social media, websites, stickers, your signs, QR code generator. What businesses we have? We have Canva Enterprise, Canva James, Canva Sales. You can choose the one you want and click over the one you want. Then we have business solutions, marketings, creatives, agencies, sales, communications, real estate, small and medium businesses, startups, franchise, and other all business solution. You can click over here to more understand. Then we have use case, content creation, virtual communication, brand management, team collaboration, asset management, brainstorms and workshops, branded templates, productivity and workflows. About resources, we have business resources, case studies, features, integrations and apps, security, enterprise onboarding services. About education, we have teachers and schools, creative and collaborate, visually in the classroom. Students, we have design and documents to boost your learnings. Then teaching resource, free lessons, worksheets and templates just for educator. About LMS integrations, we have integrate Canva with your online with learning management system, case studies, here how others deliver creative and collaborative learning, higher education, inspire future generations with the power of design, become an education creator, create and publish your own resource and on Canva and earn by sharing. Here we have what will you design today. Canva makes it easy to create and share professional design. You can just start designing here. As you can see, we have posters, resumes, logos, tags, whiteboards, presentations, social videos, websites, Instagram posts, brochures, photo editor, and we have here a perfect fit for everyone. For you or one person, Canva free for designing or working on anything. Get Canva free for one person. We have Canva Pro for growing your brand or passion project with premium features. You can just click over here to start free pro trial. Then we have Canva Teams for your team, for teams to create together with premium workplace tools and workflows. You can just click over here to start free teams trial or contact sales. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over sign up. As you can see here, you can just write your email here. You can use other options like continue with Google, Facebook, email also. But if you have an account, all you have to do is click over and log in to find your account. Then here we have trusted by well-known companies. You have your create with AA, define the way you create with Magic Studio, our site of AI-powered tools that generate copy and your brand voice with Magic Write and transform your photos with Magic Edit. Then we have design with others, invite friends and family to design with you or set your whole team up to work together. Our collaboration features let you comment and work in real time. Presentations, whiteboards, docs, videos, or the birthday party planning. 10. Templates for absolutely anything. Customize an office template or design something more personal like an invitation. Here we have a first invitation. As you can see, we have a first design and decors. You can choose the one you want. Then we have the plan that get down to business. Empower everyone to design together with Canva teams. Firstly, we have AI powered efficiency. Bring your brand in-house. Beautiful approval flows. You can just click over here to explore Canva teams. Here we are full of surprises. Here are some of our best traits you might not know about. So we have here, as you can see, we've got apps marketplace, we've got desktop app, businesses love us, make presenting easy, and a lot of various things. So creating digital business cards can be a great way to share your content information easily and efficiently. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a digital business card. So firstly, you choose a platform or app, select a platforms or application. There are several apps and platforms available for creating digital business cards such as Canva, Adobe Spark, Vistaprint, and dedicated apps like Hi Hello, Camcared, or Hi Stack. Step 2 is sign up or log in. Create an account or log in if you are using an app. Download it from your app store and create an account for login if you already have one. So then we have step 3 is select a template. Firstly, browse templates. Most platforms offer a variety of templates. Shows a template that fits your brand or personal style. Then select a template. Click on the template to start customizing it. Step 4 is customize your digital business card. Then add your logo. Upload your company logo. Most platforms will have an option to add an image or logo. Then enter your information, include your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, website, and any other relevant information. Then customize the design, change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Most platforms allow you to drag and drop elements to create a design that you like. Then we have add social media links. Include icons and links to your social media profiles to make it easy for people to connect with you online. Then step 5, save and export. Preview your card before finalizing. Preview your digital business card to make sure everything looks good. Then you save your card. We have step 6, share your digital business card via using email, social media, or QR code. So by following these steps, you can create a professional and a content digital business card that you can easily share with others in a variety of ways. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.